and Oahu. In the water, she was a red goldfish. On land, she could assume the form of a lehua tree laden with blossoms. This is the reason the lehua was kapu for the gods, and men left them alone. The girls with no room. Well, the sea of Mali, where the lehua tree stands. There indeed. Fully rounded is a lehua blossom on high. The lehua is human one. Just move on below. Below indeed. They are out with pebbles rustling in the sea. Here the sea of from underneath the hollow grove. Of the rolling sea.